So I'm go ahead and using a good amount of condensed glue gel. I just top coat it so then you can see the final looks of it. But I'm going ahead and apply all entire the nail to blend it. If you know exactly where you are going to, you can place it right there. However, it is okay to do it completely whole entire the nails because it doesn't need much to apply your crystal. Like you don't load it with too much of condensed glue gels.
I always do the whole nail because as I get going, then we decide to do more.
And then there's a different and two different way if you want to do like a applies completely is condensed glue gels and no wet top coat. And also in this kit, the centerpiece kit, you are going to let me do this one first. You are going to receive your extra thick condensed glue gel. You can definitely use this.
There.
All right, yeah, I keep moving in the wrong way. Sorry, Lily. Thank you. Lily keep like helping me with so much.
Look at how gorgeous.
I'm going to try to get this one stay in one place right there. Oh my God, they're so cute.
Yeah, that'll be so cute because it'll just brighten it up.
So I usually doing a centerpiece in this one. I use like 2 centerpiece, like 2 cube. Big centerpiece. I'm going to take that off just a second.
I love those little round ones because you can use them everywhere.
Yeah. Look, they're super cute. It's like earrings.
Mm-hmm.
So cute. I love this green opal.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my
Just
God.
brightens it up.
It jump up the frame. I'm like, wait.
That's okay. See? Use your handy tweezers.
It's good in so many different ways.
And that's the other thing is your crystal picker. The other end is dotting tool, so you can use it to adjust the pieces without getting...
It looks straight on your end. Sometimes it's crooked, so I have to check with the customer too.
Yeah, it looks straight.
Are you sure?
No. I can only see your nails in the way.
Yeah.
Now it's more in the way.
So I'm go ahead and flash key it really quick. If you're happy with this, you want more. I really want to add more though.
Always. Always.
Always more. And then you can add crystal beads and everything else on it if you want to.
There.
All right. Oh my God, it looks so cute.
I know, I love it.
So fancy. I'm gonna add a couple more. I keep saying it.
I'm not going to complain.
I'm like, okay.
Keep going.
She's like, okay, keep going. It's
And
such a
next we dump the whole Pixie jar in there.
Like, do you have some Pixie? Oh, I do have Pixie for my sub box though. You want some? Just said sure.
Sure, I'm so easy. Whatever. That looks so cute.
She says she's easy. Just everybody heard that? And then when I say
I'm
I'll do
easy.
sticker, and then she looked at me like,
But I want a more, not less.
sticker a lot. I give you 3.
I'm in trouble with my video.
All right.
I think my phone is dead.
And we're gonna flash gear this quick. The lemon. It's okay. Yeah. Use this one. Is that straight on your end?
Yeah.
No, I mean the crystal.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. It looks like it.
Let me see. Yeah.
Is it good?
No, not too long.
Is it too long?
Yeah.
No, don't take too long because you're afraid it's gonna
Yeah.
fall. But no, but I flashed you already.
Yeah.
That's good. The lily is just stay on. Okay, Kia, you like it?
Yeah. No, it's